Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So this is a Clean Girl Smoky Eye look that I created using the e.l.f. $3 Love You A Latte eyeshadow palette. This is a very simple smoky eye look. It's clean. I know smoky eye looks really aren't in right now, but I smoked out the lash line, just created a little drama, and we're just gonna jump right into the tutorial. So with a Sigma E35, I'm gonna go into this cool tone shade right here. And I'm gonna blend that shade into my crease. I still can't get over how amazing these shades blend out for $3. They're just literally like the cutest, best little mini eyeshadow palettes ever. So just creating some nice definition in my crease area, blending up into my brow bone. So really nice everyday crease shade. And look how easy and quick that all blended out. So then I'm just gonna take that warm shade, same brush. It's the other transition shade. They're pretty much the same color. One's more kind of cool and one's kind of warm. But I'm just gonna take the other transition shade. I'm gonna blend that all over my eyelid. That just blended out so beautifully. Major fallout going on. And just like so pretty. I'm gonna take an Ariel by Morphe. This is an A29. Just like a flatter painter's brush. I'm gonna take the darkest shade in the palette, that chocolatey, nice rich brown. Tap off the excess, and I'm just gonna pat that all over the eyelid. Blending out beautifully, just blending into the other shades so nicely. And just dragging it up into the crease just a little bit. Create that smoky look. Making the darkest area the eyelid. With patting motions and just packing it right on the eyelid. And then I'm just gonna take that same brush and the dark shadow and just blend out my bottom lash line. Small highlighting brush, this is a Morphe JH39. I'm gonna take the lightest shade in that palette. I'm gonna apply that to my brow bone and kind of whiten up this area up here. Kind of like carving out a rounder look, just like that. Highlighting my inner corner here with that matte white shade. It really helps brighten up this look. You can always go in and apply a highlighter. I'm just gonna take an eyeliner brush, get it wet. On that wet brush, I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade here, kind of creating a paste. And I'm just going to apply that to the outer lash line. I can create a nice smoky, thick lash line. And that's just like a little secret to creating a nice, like darker, more vibrant eye shade. I'm bringing it all the way in my inner corner, just making sure the lash line is nice and smoky. In my waterline, I'm gonna go with LA Girl Super Bright Nude Eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with some Maybelline. I'm gonna go with some Maybelline Sky High Mascara. And that completes this Clean Girl Smoky Eye. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video.